Morning, guys. We are at Tino Shine Stand. I think the workers are about to finish to complete the job. As you can see right now, I think it's clear see now. People doing wonders. This is nice. Miss Shino, can you meet your fans?
Good morning, guys. Budinjine hope.
Muneopa munaurara.
Ndasikati munomuka.
Tiri kuona fesi yakazvimba iyi.
Good morning, guys. So, guys, we are here and the guys are almost done, as you can see. This is a well done job, guys.
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling so happy, excited, over the moon.
Hey,
I'm so happy.
we thank God for the job well done.
Yes, well done. This is nice.
I think people are finished now, as we can see.
Yeah, they're just doing touch-ups.
They are doing touch-ups.
Yeah.
Let's just move around. Yes, thank you. And today there's no Chidzimira. Chidzimira is no more. Guys, let me move around with you. You can see now the gate is done. It looks so nice, guys. As it is in heaven. You can see this is Miss V.
Hello guys, how are you? Thank you so much for subscribing to my brother's channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, please support him by subscribing. Also, don't forget to come to my channel. If you are not from my channel, guys, please also come and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Miss V MISS space VEE. I'm the only Zimbabwean who went to diaspora and came back empty-handed, and I'm starting life as afresh. Please come to my channel so that we motivate each other, inspire each other. Yeah.
So what can you say about the job that is being done here?
It's a very beautiful job that the guys are doing, and they are very fast. They started a day yesterday. I think it only took them 2 days to do this whole thing non-stop, from putting the poles, putting this fence, and putting this line on these 3 lines on top. So they're doing a beautiful job.
And again, what do you want to say to those who want to go to diaspora, those who are still here? They are saying, life here, hey, it's very hard.
Okay, so I can't tell them not to go. It's good for them to go experience life from a different angle. But if it doesn't work for you there, please, you must come back home. You must come back home. And it's also to your advantage if you go and come back, because this time you're coming with experience, things you've learned there. If you bring them back home, I tell you guys, it will be amazing. You do good here back home.
What about the sister? My last question. Those who are in diaspora, they're saying, instead to build the houses, it's better to build our bodies with food.
Guys, so what happens now with the life we are living these days? No one knows what can come tomorrow. Anything can happen. There was a story I shared on my Facebook, and YouTube, of a lady I knew. Luckily, she's a very hardworking lady, and luckily she had built a small house to stay. So this lady was traveling, and then there was a time she was traveling to Malawi, and then she was involved in an accident, and then her hand broke. So I'm a deep thinker. So I started thinking, yo, what if she had nowhere to start, if she didn't have her own accommodation? What if she was not working? What was going to happen in her life? So it's things you need to think the worst when it comes to future. That what if I get disabled just now? You see us, we stay in the village. What if a snake bites you and then they have to remove your leg? What's your way forward?
You have
Don't
nothing
become a
to do.
burden. You need to start your life. You need to start planning your life as soon as you can.
And again, can you say anything about your feelings towards the direction of Tino? The first time you see, when we were land clearing, she did not have any means of getting this security wire. What do you want to say about hope or trust in God?
Okay, so I just want to, first of all, is I'm very happy for Tino. And I just want to keep encouraging you to pray. Tino prays, but Tino prays. She's a prayerful person, and I also want to keep encouraging you to to hold unto God, and to never lose hope. Right now, she has stepped 2 ladders already. These are big things in a life that has happened in less than a month. Getting land, putting security. Those are huge things that even our people over our ages are still dreaming of these things. Telling her to stay humble as you've been humble, to stay humble, trust in God, believing in God, and trusting in God that more is still to come. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sister.
Okay.
Yes, you have heard Miss V, and you have heard also from Miss Tino. They are excited. They are more than happy itself for the job well done. So
Yeah.
they are about to finish the guy. So I might move with you some steps. And the dog is by our side as well.
As usual.
Yeah. But you can see there is too much bundu in the land. So many trees. Guys, this is nice. And the boys, they said we must not sleep in a house. We are going to sleep in the bush. You see, they said they finish work, but they don't finish food. Vanopedza basa, vapedze chikafu. Yeah. And the one thing I would want to emphasize is on, you see those people, a company which delivers the materials, where the bought, this is the wire that remains. Whenever they are giving you, they put extra, so that when they are doing work, it must come to an end. You see, our small landlord, landlord, molweni linjani, siyaphila. You see, and the one thing I like about this wire is I just want you to compare, guys, two different types of security wires here. This one, at first she wanted to have another one like this one, but you cannot see it from another fence. Morning, Papa. How are you doing your work? We are about to finish now. You finish work, but you don't finish food. Good guys. Yes. The other. Besides any languages inoita. Chinhu chakanaka chinongozvitaura chega, zvakafanana kuti nyama inonaka inongooneka. Basa rakanaka. Nemuhacha uripo, ko muhacha wanga uchazosara ndo tukatotaura kuti kana mazino unokwesha futi. So guys, bye bye. Tingataure.